Hello students, let us talk about the Business Management Research Project. In this video, we discuss the basic requirements, key concepts, supporting documents, nature of research, structure of the research project, presentation, and assessment criteria. First, students need to carefully choose an actual business issue or problem that they will address. This issue should be directly linked to a specific business organization. Secondly, they are expected to formulate a research question that can either look into the future or analyze the past. Students are required to include 3 to 5 supporting documents that are relevant to their research project. It's important to note that these documents should have been published within the 3 years leading up to the submission. Lastly, the research project should not exceed a word limit of 1,800 words. The selection of supporting documents is very important. It is strongly recommended that supporting documents present a range of ideas and views. Supporting documents from one single source will not help you get good marks. The relevant supporting documents must be contemporary in nature and published within a maximum of 3 years prior to the submission of the project. Students, kindly note that no one supporting document should exceed the equivalent of 5 A4 pages. Students must highlight the parts of each supporting document that relate directly to the project. The research project must use only one of the 4 key concepts such as change, creativity, ethics, and sustainability. The key concept may or may not be stated in the research question. However, it must be clearly indicated on the title page. The research project can be based on primary or secondary data or sources. Examples of primary sources include surveys, interviews, and group discussions. Examples of secondary sources include articles from the local, national, or international press, business accounts, business plans, financial reports, annual reports, etc. The business research project is intended to be a structured piece of a well-organized report. Though there are different ways of presentation, students should ensure that the research project includes elements such as an introduction, main body, and conclusion. The students should present the research project in the following order. 1. Title page. 2. Contents page. 3. Introduction. 4. Main findings, discussion, and analysis. 5. Conclusion. 6. Bibliography, and 7. Appendix. The Business Management Research Project is assessed using 7 criteria. Criterion A, integration of a key concept. Criterion B, supporting documents. Criterion C, selection and application of tools and theories. Criterion D, analysis and evaluation. Criterion E, conclusions. Criterion F, structure, and Criterion G, presentation. Please check the description below for examples of appropriate research questions. If you find this information useful, please like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for business management videos. Happy learning!